A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen, especially around the holidays. Check out my favorite products to keep your kitchen sparkling like this. The Weiman brand products never disappoint. I use so many products for different things around my kitchen. So stay tuned, I'm going to show you more and some tips on how to keep your kitchen sparkling this holiday season, even if we're staying home. There's nothing quite like sparkling, shiny appliances. And good helpers. If you guys have any glass cooktops around your kitchen area, the Weiman glass cooktop cleaner and polish is going to be your new best friend. I promise you that. Look at how shiny this makes your glass cooktop. So you're gonna want to rub it all the way in, but it gets any hardened food off of it as well. So you just want to rub it all in. And switch your back up. And look at the shine that comes through. So typically I like to use the Weiman cooktop scrubbing pads, but I had previously used those, so I was just polishing up with the rag. Definitely gonna need this after this dinner. You guys, this cooktop has never looked better. It's so shiny and sparkling. Thanks to the Weiman products, I just can't even believe my eyes. So pretty. You guys, this holiday may look a lot different for us, even if we're just at home. But one thing's for certain, when we're hosting, whether for a big group or for just our families this year, cleanup is just so stressful. But we can make it a lot better with our Weiman products. The Granite and Stone Daily Clean and Shine Spray kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria. So not only is it giving you a streak-free finish and keeping your countertops protected, but it's disinfecting as well. I love it so much, and I use it all around my kitchen area. I also love that you can not only use it in the kitchen, but in bathrooms and other household areas where you have countertops, sinks, floors, and other hard, non-porous surfaces. You guys, honestly, nothing makes me happier than when my kids help out, whether it's cleaning or helping me around the house. And I think that when you teach them early, it just helps to make sure that they are cleaning up and just being good the rest of their adult life. I love it. Hey you guys, I know holidays look a lot different this year, and it's hard on all of us, but we're making the best of it. And this year we've been doing a little bit more decorating in our kitchen area, making it super festive. So we have this little area here with my favorite Weiman products. I use them daily, every day. They save me. They keep everything so clean around my countertop areas in my kitchen. And this is one of my favorites, the stainless steel wipes. I'm going to show you how to use it. You guys, is it just me, or does fingerprints or just dirt all over the stainless steel just drive you crazy? So the Weiman stainless steel wipes are such a game changer, you guys. They're good for all of your stainless steel appliances, and they make them sparkling clean. They also have a spray too. And where would we be during the holiday season without family recipes and good food? This is one of our favorites. Easy to make. And you guys know I'm all about sharing recipes, so I will be sharing this one with you. It's really easy. Basically, you're layering pesto, which we made homemade, sun-dried tomatoes, and goat cheese, and a little bit of cream cheese. Put it on a cracker and call it a day. And it's so pretty. All the Christmas colors in one bite. From our family to yours, happy holidays. Enjoy that family time, good food, and of course, easy cleanup with Weiman products.